subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The Meizu watch has a 6 series aluminium alloy construction with a ceramic base. It measures 46 by 38.4 mm and has a thickness of 12.97 mm. With the fluoro rubber strap, it weighs 69 grams. The 1.78-inch AMOLED display is protected by 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. The screen produces 368 by 448 pixels resolution, 326 pixel density, and 500 nits brightness. The smartwatch features a physical button for accessing its various functions. The Meizu watch runs on flymeOS for watch, which allows users to customize the watch face with a wide range of dial photos. It tags along the Meizu Smart Assistant. The One Mind for Watch by Meizu brings numerous system optimizations, which allows the Meizu watch to deliver a smartphone-like experience on a smartwatch. Their smartwatch features a 420 mAh battery that promises a battery life of up to 36 hours on a single charge. The company claims that once it is charged for 15 minutes, it can last for the entire day. It comes with a detachable charging base, which does not have a charging wire attached to it. This means users can simply the charging base and connect any USB-C charger to power up the Meizu watch. The Snapdragon Wear 4100 chip powers the device with 1 GB of RAM. It has a native storage of 8 GB. On the connectivity front, the Meizu watch supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and NFC for contactless payments through Meizu Pay. The support for eSIM LTE connectivity allows users to use it as a standalone device for voice calls. The Meizu watch can track sports activities such as indoor, outdoor running, walking, elliptical trainer, indoor, outdoor cycling, table tennis, badminton, bowling, rowing machine, climbing, skipping rope, and free training. It supports blood oxygen monitoring and heart rate tracking, pressure monitoring, sleeping tracking, breathing training, and sedentary reminder. The Meizu watch carries a price tag of $235 and it comes in 2 colors such as black and azure. Its first sale will be carried out on June 1st in China. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.